Ring, ring, ring. Postman. Who this? Telephone call from young Cardi, said it's slick. Go to young Lord, A$AP Barry.
All right, man, who's ready for this road trip?
Let's go. I'm ready for this journey. Let's go. Bro, I got some sick stuff.
Oh, no,
not him, dude. Come on.
Man, what you trying to play? Oh, what's he playing? What's he playing?
All right, that's kind of quiet.
All right, it's good though.
I might just fuck on my Uber driver. Deep in that bitch like a scuba diver. Hit by.
Hey, yo, guys, I found this hella dope song with the dopest beat. Yo, turn it up.
Really?
Really? All right, let's turn it.
Let's hear it.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
What are you doing?
Yo, dude, dude, it was
Dude, what are you doing?
Dude, it was about to
always.
drop.
Come on,
Dude,
bro.
Siri, I swear, dude.
What are you doing?
Hey guys, wanna listen to my new freaking banger? I swear it's gonna slap so freaking
hard.
hard.
Alright, man, let's go for it.
Alright.
Okay.
What? Take it up, bitches down. Fuck it up, bitches down.
What is
bitches
this?
is down. Fuck up, load on my camera. Take it up, bitches is down.
This is shit, yo. This is
Dude, come on, guys, give him a chance.
Come on, give him a chance, dude.
Yo, your mixtape sucks, dude.
Your mixtape sucks.
My brother leave it in the house. Hey, soon I'll make it.
So Ray J went straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey Fab, I'ma kill you. Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed. Some of them are doing, I'm a you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a run so that anything is saying, saying off of me and it'll you were devastating more than ever demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's ever never fading. I know that haters are forever waiting for the niggas to be celebrating because I know
Why do you know this? What do you mean? It's 6 songs.
How'd you memorize all that?
mainstream. Well, that's what they do when they get jealous of you.
Yo, guys, did you hear the new Travis song, man?
Oh, Travis Scott.
Banger. Hey, listen up, listen up.
What? What the fuck? What Travis is this?
What? It's K-pop Travis.
What K-pop Travis?
Y'all didn't hear about the K-pop?
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! You're banned. Hey guys, you want to hear some flames? I got you on the aux. Ready?
Yeah.
Yo, man, I'm about to play a slapper, dude. I was listening to the song all day yesterday.
Oh,
alright?
really?
Yeah, let's go.
Hey. Amigos, right? Yeah.
Amigos.
When I take drugs, I go to the moon.
Hey, wait, not this song.
Wait, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
What?
That was good. No, that was a 6 song.
No, I like this song better.
This song's
yeah,
good
that's
too.
what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Turn up. Hey, no, not that song.
What are you
not that
doing?
song.
Are you serious?
Choose one.
No. Okay, fine.
Last song.
Okay, fine.
Feel it.
Hey, yeah, soldier.
Soldier.
Yeah.
Boy.
Hey,
Doing that.
What?
Stop. Okay, stop.
I'm done.
Alright, let's last song. Okay, let's.
Last song.
21 Savage is good. Yeah. Are you serious? Alright, guys, this one goes out to that girl that fucked me up, dude. She left with me. I want to hear slappers.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my whole phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too
Never gonna be happy.
long. The woman that I would try.
Find a better one.
Hey y'all, since we're driving through the fields,
Okay.
I got something for y'all.
Alright.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down.
What are you doing?
What the fuck?
No, get that out. No, like,
Seriously.
like not right now.
No.
What are you doing?
No.
Dude, just because we're out in the country doesn't mean you play country music.
sorry.
Oh.
Wait,
Oh, man.
Wait, I've heard this before.
Oh, yeah?
You got a whole lot of
really?
new money, though.
You wanna, hey, see to it?
I got it.
Okay.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Yeah.
Wait, that's wrong song.
What are you doing? What are you saying?
This is bad and bougie.
Bad and bougie, bro.
Raindrop.
Panda. The broads in Atlanta.
Get this guy out
You
of here,
literally ruined
man.
the song.
What are you doing, man?
You're actually stupid. You're actually illiterate.
Hey guys, listen to this song, okay? I know all the lyrics by heart. It's awesome. Okay, ready?
By heart?
Is that good?
Molly and codeine in my Fanta.
Yo, wait, why do you got your phone out?
It's a lot of dreams.
Hey, what's the lyrics?
I see lyrics on it.
I know it by heart. I know it. Trust me. Trust me. What do you mean?
Fine, try it again.
Put the rah in.
Hey, put the phone away.
Rah in.
Hey,
Put the rah in.
phone away.
Rah in. This guy's a joke. Dude. What do you mean?
Man, bro, get that out of here. You don't know the lyrics.
Alright, man, thank you so much for watching this video.
My shoes are already wet. Go ahead. Go ahead, sweetie.
Damn!
ring, ring, ring. Postman. Who this? Telephone call from young Cardi, said it's slick. Call the young Lord, A said